Hi, this is Elina, and I welcome you all to my world, my journey of life. Ebe emiti mu definitely dekha jayeni. This is me. And before beginning my video, I want to thank 3 very important persons in my life. And they are my Baba, Ma, and Reet, my brother. Now talking about my journey, as a person you can tell by all these pictures, I'm a very happy, moody and a super expressive kid. ମୁଁ ସବୁଠୁ ଅଧିକ ଏନ୍ଜୟ କରେ when I'm with my family. ମୁଁ ପାଠରେ ଭଲ ଥିଲି ବଟ୍ ବହୁତ ଅଧିକ ଭଲ ଥିଲି ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା କରିକୁଲାର ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟିଜ୍ରେ. And friends for me are like the most important part of my life. And thankfully, I've got them all. I think I'm lucky. ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସ କରିବାକୁ ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ. And ଲାଇଫ୍ରେ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟସ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ହାର୍ଟିଲି ଏନ୍ଜୟ କରେ ଟୁ ସେଲିବ୍ରେଟ୍. I believe from all these pictures and videos you would have definitely guessed at how much I love being in front of camera. But स्वप्ନରେ ସୁଦ୍ଧା ଭାବିନଥିଲି ଯେ ଏଇଟା ମୋ ଲାଇଫ୍ର ଏତେ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ପାର୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ ବୋଲି. ଏମିତି ମୁଁ କାହିଁକି କହିଲି ଏଇଟା ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ you have to watch the full video. And this is Fanu, my baby. He is family. He is everything. Since my very childhood ମୋତେ animals को ସହ time spend କରିବାକୁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ. They give me pure happiness. And here comes the turning point of my life. That's when I knew I wanted to be an actor. It was 2014 जब गोटे reality show किया अब मो heroine start ହେଇଥିଲା. And I thought to take part in it. से journey बहुत special थिला. But the whole time I was very blank and was not so sure about what I was doing. But जहाँ भी instruction मते दिया जाउथिला मु करूथिली. I worked hard. Really hard. Not to compete with anyone, but sikhiba pai. And most importantly, to understand where I was and kon pe muse jagare achi. And thore bhi jitibar ichha mo manare asinathila. But surprisingly, I won. That day was very special. Se show mate industry kote bahut hi bhalo entry deithila. And yes, se show ru mate emiti kichi memories milithila जोटा will always remain very close to my heart and will help me to move forward. I got my first ever Hollywood film, and that was Ishq Tu Hi Tu. This film taught me a lot. It gave me enough confidence and taught me a lot of patience. And then things just started moving at a faster pace. Daily shoots, rehearsal or dance practice to neki, bada shows, performance, facing medias, fans को सह meeting and निजो film रे playback singing, capturing monitor scenes, even monitor still pictures, traveling for shoots, for vacations. I think I enjoyed the most while I travel. I love traveling. Celebrating very special occasions with very special people. मोर birthdays हो किंबा मो film premieres किंबा मो फिल्म रो अनाउंसमेंट मु सब बेले चेष्टा करे मो फैंस को सह एंड एमती किछि स्पेशल लोकन को सह मोर सब स्पेशल डेज को सेलिब्रेट करबा पई. एंड इंडस्ट्री रे मु एमती किछि टाइम स्पेंड करछि जोटा आई डोंट थिंक जदि गोटे नॉर्मल बीइंग ही थांती मते चांस भी मिली थांता एमती एक्सपीरियंस करबा को. हैप्पी सीन्स हो किंबा दुख सीन्स किंबा टॉर्चरस सीन्स, आई हैव एंजॉयड एवरी बिट ऑफ इट. गोबर धरी के परफॉर्म करवा वाज very difficult. Oh my god, how come I did that? But it was very amazing. I enjoyed a lot. And yeah, Bengali movie re acting kariba and am Odia films re action scenes kariba. Oh wow, I loved it totally. And now sets re soiba was like my most favorite habit. शूटिंग मझे सोईबा रा मजा ही किसी अलग था. Okay, I sleep a lot. This journey of mine has had its own ups and downs, but it's been the most amazing life. बहुत सक्सेस एंड बहुत फेलियर्स में देखी, ऑडियंस कटार बहुत भल पाइबा पाइछि, एंड ऑल्सो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री रे बहुत थोड़ा रिजेक्शन भी देखी. But never ever that made me quit my job. Rather, it made me really strong enough to build my own identity. Film fraternity to बहुत सारा praises पाइछि, and that helped me to grow. That helped me to go ahead, move ahead. And awards also encouraged me to do more good films. And this is how I completed 5.5 years successfully in this Odia film industry. And today, when I look back, I see a lot of learning, life lessons, hard work, and struggle that made me who I am today. And I think this is the time I plan to come to you guys and start sharing about my life, my journey, and talk about my future. So, welcoming you all to my YouTube family. Yours, Elina.